Hey YouTube, I'm finally going to get back into my Hot Wheels hobby. It's just been off for a while, been kind of busy. So this is going to be my project that I'm going to be working on. Trans Am, pretty scuffed up over here. And what year is it? It doesn't have a year on it, just says Hot Wheels, Hot Bird, and no year. So I presume it's probably a 78 or something like that. But this will be my project. I'm going to strip her down and get it ready for stripping and all that stuff. So guys, I got it all apart as you can see. There's the base for it. The interior. That's the base. And the glass. Alright everyone, I finished with the Trans Am. It's like a bluish black that I put on it. I also painted the interior black so that it's not tan anymore. Put some nice new wheels on it and gave it some detail. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.